So I'm gonna do a little mail call. Got a package from Levi and the wonderful guys over at Death Grip. And so I have absolutely no idea what's inside of this, but we will take a look, see what we got. Starting off, some Black Magic, Death Grip, and Sudden Death. And then we have this Platinum Edition Death Grip box. And let's see what we got. Oh, okay. Wow. Yeah, this is crazy. So there are, I don't even know how to, yeah, I'm trying to get this all back in. This is crazy. Crazy in a good way. Very, very, very cool. So here is the box. So, and so then I'll kind of go through one by one. So we've got the Platinum Edition Night Fury Mustache Wax Remover. And this is crazy. Maybe. So, wax, the lid, and even cooler is, it's almost like thought of everything, is mirror on the inside of the lid. So this would be a great little EDC tin. That's probably one of the coolest things I've seen. So with the Death Grip logo. And so what I'm gonna guess is that you can put, as you empty these out, right, you could put, these are refills, right? So, and so I'm just gonna guess that each one's a different one, but let's take a look. So what's in there right now is the original Death Grip. So that's the lid for that insert, original Death Grip, and then the other three, Sudden Death, Bare Bones, and Bone Crusher. So you can pick and choose which ones you want, or you can kind of go through them. So that's amazing. And then a Death Grip and a Bone Crusher. No. Yes, it is Death Grip and Bone Crusher on each side. So Death Grip and Bone Crusher. And then if we flip them over, then you have Sudden Death. And Bare Bones. So Bare Bones and Bone Crusher. And Death Grip and Sudden Death. Right? And then sticky off of. Okay. And then a Sun Death and Death Grip comb. Mustache comb. That's got to be one of the coolest, absolutely one of the coolest kits I've ever seen. Especially this container. This thing's got some weight to it. This is hefty. Like I said, little mirror. Pick and choose which wax you want, or rotate through. But solid, heavy duty. So the wax remover, all of the variants of the waxes that Death Grip offers, the double-sided necklace picks, and the comb. And then along with, like I said, the Death Grip Black Magic and the Sudden Death Black Magic waxes. So I truly appreciate Levi and the Death Grip team for this amazing package. Get to rock some of it at Nationals coming up next Saturday, November the 4th, and for the world record attempt on the afternoon/evening of the 3rd. So